Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an easy, simple and beautiful speech on Gandhi Jayanti. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line, good morning to all. Second line is my name is Sampurn. Third line is today is Gandhi Jayanti. Fourth line is today is the birthday of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Fifth line is he is also known as Mahatma Gandhi. Sixth line is we lovingly call him Bapuji. Seventh line is Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of India. Next line is he was a strict follower of non-violence. Ninth line is thus his birthday is also known as the International Day of Non-Violence. Last line is this day is very pious and We must celebrate it with great enthusiasm.